Hello everyone, I'm Frank, and welcome to Frank Puzzles, and this is today's easy level puzzle, and it's called XOV to DC by the Bard, and I think this is part of a series, and it's the XOV series, which I think includes Sudoku, Kropke dots, X's, and V's. Um, Anyways, here are the rules. Extended Sudoku rules apply. And caveat, what is considered easy is what the people on the Logic Masters Germany forum considers easy. So, and there's a lot of smart people there, so take that with a grain of salt. Um, Anyways, here are the rules. Extended Sudoku rules apply, which means place the digits 0 through 9 in each row, column, and box. However, there will be one digit in each that does not fit. So basically, instead of the digits once each in 0 through 9, you have all the digits 0 through 9 except for one in each row, column, and box. This digit can vary between rows, column, and boxes and needs to be determined by the solver. XV, digits separated by an X add up to 10, and those separated by a V add up to 5. All V's have been given, so there is a negative constraint where basically you cannot have two cells which add up to neighboring each other or adjacent to each other, which add up to 5, unless there's a V in between them. And so, for an example, if this was a 3, this would have to be a 7 because they have to add up to 10. Or for the 0 through 9 part, you could have 0 and 5 as a V because they add up to 5. Kropke, digits between white dots are consecutive. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's pretty clear. So basically, digits between white dots are consecutive. Actually, it should be white dots separate digits which are consecutive. Doesn't that make more sense? Digits between white dots are consecutive. Yeah, that does. Wouldn't it be white dots between digits? Makes, anyways. Digits separated by white dots are consecutive. That seems to make more sense. Okay. Knight's move. Digits separated by a chess knight's move cannot contain the same digit. So along with extended Sudoku rules, where you cannot have digits that are in the same column, row, column, or box, which have the same value. You also have knight's move, which is basically for this cell, all the 8 cells surrounding it can also must not be the same as this digit. So if this were like a 6, there could not be 6 in any of the red spots that I highlighted. And this is throughout the grid. And it's just a chess knight's move away. So that's why it's called the knight's move rule. And those are all the rules. If you'd like to play along, there's going to be a link in the description. And now, I'm going to get started. Let's go. Okay. So, for this, let's focus on the V's. So this one we know is 0, 1 through 5. So it's 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, and 3. Therefore, this cannot be. Therefore, these are all low. Therefore, these are all high. Because 0 through 5 cannot be here, which means these are all low. And we're including 5 in the lows. So this is low also, but we could have multiple lows. These two are low because we're including 0 through 5 in the lows. So this could still be a low. This is low. Let's just, color these. So these are all lows. So these two must be high to correspond with it, and this is high. These are all lows. One of these is a low, and one of these is a high. So this has 6 through 9 in it. So therefore, okay, so then one of these is low, one of these is high, which means we have 6 from 0 through 5 here. So these two must be high. This is also low, actually. So, okay, so then we have, these are 0 through 5. These are high, so 6 through 9. So therefore, these must be low. This is also low, and this is low, right? And this is low. So we have two lows here. This is a low and a high. This is a low and a high. So all the highs are taken care of here. These are consecutive, and these are consecutive. Okay, what does this tell us? We're missing a high in box 3. We're missing a 0 through 5 in box 1. We don't know what we have in box 2. We don't know what we have in box 6 or 4 or 5. Row 1 is missing a 0 through 5. Row 2 is missing a 6 through 9. I'm not sure if this is very helpful, though. This cannot be... Oh. This has to be 0 through 5, right? You're going to have 3 numbers that are 1 through 4 here. Therefore, you're going to have at least 2 and 3. You're going to have at least 2 from 2 or 3, and 1 or 4, and 1 from the other one. Therefore, these can't be 2, 3, or 1, 4, because then it eliminates all possibilities here. So this has to be a 0, 5. Oops. This has to be 0, 5. Same here. This has to be 0, 5 because of the same reasoning. So this cannot be 0, 5. This can't be 0, 5. Therefore, this is a 0, 5. Same reasoning here. This has to be 0, 5 because one of these... 2 of them have to be from 1, 4, or 2, 3, and the other one has to be from the opposite, the one other one, 1, 4, 2, 3. Therefore, this is 0, 5, this is 0, 5, so this can't be 0, 5. Same logic applies here, so this can't be 0, 5, therefore this is, oops, this is 0, 5. This can't be 0, 5, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be 0, 5 because of the same logic. Okay, so this can't be 0, 5, and this can't be 0, 5. Well, we sort of knew that because we just have them adding up to 10. So these are all 1, 2, 3, 4. This cannot be 0 or 5, so therefore this has to be both highs. Okay. Let's see. 2, 3, 4. This has to be 0, 5 because of the same of 0 and 5. So whichever one is here has to be here. Same here. Whatever one, well, okay. There's no V there, so that's not. So this cannot be 1, 2, 3, or 4, because otherwise there would be a V here, right? Because we've already accounted for 2 sets of that add up to 5. So the last one, if it's 1, 2, 3, or 4, must also add up to 5. So this cannot be V. There's no V there, so that's all V's have been given, so this has to be high. Same logic here. So this has to be high also. Okay. So maybe we can start, let's make the red still the red. Make it mean high. But let's start actually coloring the 1, 2, 3, 4s. So we're gonna make it, I don't know, green goes with pink and blue goes with yellow. Or actually, just let's have them. Okay, just be the okay, yeah. Or blue goes with the orange, and then we'll have green and pink. So the green has to be one of these, and then this is blue and orange. This cannot be blue and orange, so this is green and pink. This has to be blue and orange, and this has to be pink. Right, because this is the blue-orange pair. This is green. Therefore, the pink is the only one left. That's 1 through 4. This is blue and orange, and this is blue and orange. This can't be orange. Okay. So these, we don't know which this is. This cannot be blue or orange. But we don't know if it's a high or if it's a low. This can't be blue or orange. This can't be blue or orange. But these could be. Right. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, what about zeros and fives? We're gonna make it dark and medium. So then this is dark, which makes that medium, which makes this dark. Hmm. And then this one is different. Hmm. Unfortunately, we don't know about these. Okay, that's not useful for now. Let's uncolor that. Okay, let's remove the coloring for these. And let's go from a different direction. So let's go from this direction. Like, so let's say this is, so this was pink, I think. And let's make that orange and this blue specifically. So then this, maybe not that way then. Let's make this pink and this green. And this blue and this orange, right? So we know this is the corresponding pink that goes with it, right? This is the corresponding orange. This cannot be green, right? Because if it's green, oh wait, we don't know anything about X's. X's are no. X's do not say anything. Never mind. Okay, so that coloring doesn't work either then. Yeah, we don't know anything about x's because there's not a negative constraint for x's. There's like negative constraints for v's. Okay. Ah, we do have knight's move. I forgot about that. Knight's move. So these two are not the same. Okay, yeah, that's one. So we had dark, medium. This must be dark, which means this is medium. This is dark. These darks both see this one, so this has to be medium. This is dark then. So this is medium. This is dark, right? So this dark means this is medium. This is dark. It can't be either of these, so these are both medium. This is dark. Since this is medium, this is dark, and this is medium. Right? So dark cannot be here, dark cannot be here, dark cannot be here or here, but this could be dark. We don't know, though. This can't be dark, this can't be dark. Okay, wait, none of these can be dark, so... Blue and orange. Pink cannot be here because of knight's move, so this has to be high. This one can't be here because of knight's move, so this must be high. Similar logic. Huh. This one specifically has to be there, right? This one sees that, it sees those two. So it must be here specifically. Hmm. Hmm. We have knight's move. We have, okay. Well, we don't know anything about this. Oh, wait, that can't be true. No, this can't be, okay. That was incorrect. Interesting. So this cannot be blue or orange. This obviously has to be blue or orange because green and pink are right there, right? And this is blue and orange. But this can't be blue or orange. It has to be green because we have one of the blue or oranges at fitting with a 10, with its high, and then the other blue or orange fitting with that high. So this has to be the green one. So pink and green are here. Therefore, this matches this, which matches one of those two. This then has to be either the... Okay, so then this cannot be green here. So this can't be the one that matches the green because that one's here. Therefore, this must be the only one that matches the green. Therefore, this is green, and this can't be green. So this is pink. This one matches this, which matches one of those two. This is green, so this can't be green. So this is the high, which means that's... So these three match. This is the low one. So that's fine. This can't match this, this, or this. So it can't match the green, which is obvious. It can't match this. So this one is the same as this one. We don't know which one that is, though. Hmm. Okay, we don't have any information here. There's two 1, 2, 3, 4s here, but we don't know about this one. This one cannot match with these two. So, and this one... Oh, interesting. Okay, first of all, then, let's clear this. Let's start coloring from these. What are these? We're going to make that blue and this orange. This can't be blue, so this has to be orange. This can't be orange, so this is blue, which means that can't be blue. This is orange, right? This blue and its high cannot be here. The blue could be any of these. So this is possible. Obviously, this can't be orange, pink, or green. Orange, blue and orange, one of them's here, one of them's here. So this can't be, well, we don't know. This could be the blue or orange. Let's see. So this is, okay, so we don't know anything about this. These two are the ones that correspond to blue and pink. So both of these two are here. Ah. So this has to correspond to the orange. Right? Yeah, because where are these two? It cannot be here or here, right? Because this corresponds to the green, and this doesn't correspond to green. This doesn't correspond to green, and it cannot be this one. So these two are the blue and the pink equivalents up for the highs. Therefore, this is blue or pink equivalent for the high, and this one has to be the orange matching one. Now, what that tells us, I'm not really sure. So this is equivalent of a blue-pink high. This is the orange high. Whichever one is here has to be here, but it could be either of these. So these are the blue and pink equivalents of the highs. This is obviously green. This is orange. This is green. This is green. Green, orange, pink. Oops, excuse me. So, okay. Ah. Ah. So this is pink, blue, and orange, right? Because we know the green is here now. And because the green is here, this is pink, blue, and orange. Their equivalent tens are here too. So the equivalent highs are here. Therefore, this is either green or the high with the green. So this is green. One of these two is green, and the other one's high. So none of these can be green. This can't be green. So this is, we have pink, blue, or orange for all of these. Obviously, this can't be blue. This can't be orange. This can't be orange or pink. But this could be any of them. Okay. Hmm. All right. Hmm. This cannot be blue. If this was blue, this would have to be the high of that corresponds to blue, but we already have the high that corresponds to blue here. So this cannot be blue. Therefore, this is a high. So then this is blue, pink, or orange. This can't be blue, pink, or orange. So this has to be green, pink, or orange with their high. So these are all low. No. One of them's high, and then two of them are low. These cannot be... Well, I guess still could be blue. Hmm. Yeah. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, so 0 and 5 cannot be here. So this dark 0 and 5 is missing here. So then this equivalent means this must contain, okay, yeah, these must be highs and lows. But we don't know which is which. So blue must be one of these, 4. Pink must be one of these, 7. Orange must be one of these 4. These obviously can't be 0 and 5. This can't be 0 and 5. Hmm. This can't be the dark 0, 5. Hmm. Okay. Knight's move. So if there was a gray, it would have to be here in box 5. Because it cannot be here anywhere. Can't be here, can't be here, can't be here, can't be here, can't be here because of Knight's move. So it would have to be here. Similarly, if it's a dark gray, it would have to be there. Huh. This can't be green, so this is blue or orange, or it's pink, which means this is blue or orange, and it's green. We don't know about this. This could be any of the four. This could be any of the four. Hmm. Okay, so there has to be a green in this box because we know there's no dark, and the dark is missing from 8, essentially. And that's the only one that's missing from 8. This can't be green, so green could be either here or one of these two, which doesn't really tell us much, unfortunately. Oh, this is the okay. This is the high that corresponds to green. Therefore, this can't be the high that corresponds to green. Therefore, this is green, so that can't be green. We know green is one of these two. We don't know which. So the high that corresponds to green is missing from box 9. So this is green. The high it's missing cannot be here. So green is one of those two. The high of green is here, right? Hmm. Hmm. The high of green, well, we know the high of green's here. The high of green's here. We don't know about this. Ooh. Hmm. Let's see. Uh, so green's one of those two. The high of green is here. We're missing a blue, orange, or pink. So that has to be one of those three. They all see this one. So this one has to be either that or there. This one, okay. Hmm. I'm not good at Knight's move, so this is probably why it's taking me so long. What else do we know? So green is one of those two. Therefore, green cannot be here, but we already knew that. Green could be one of these two, but we don't know which. The high from green that corresponds to green is not in box 9. The dark gray is not in box 8. Box 7, we have no clue what we're missing. Box 6, we don't know. Box 5, we don't know. Box 4, we don't know. Box 1, we're missing the blue. Box 2, we're missing the medium gray. Box 3, we're missing one of the highs from that corresponds to blue or pink. Column 1, we're missing the red that corresponds to blue. Column 2, we don't know. Column 3, we don't know. Column 4, we don't know. Column 5, we don't know. Column 6, we don't know. Column 7, we don't know. Column 8, we're missing one of the highs. We don't know, though. And column 9, we're missing the high corresponding to green. Row 1, we're missing the light gray. Row 2, we're missing the high corresponding to blue or pink. Row 3, we're missing blue. Row 6, we don't know what we're missing. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, interesting. Okay, yeah. So, in box 5, we must have either the dark or the light gray be part of it. Right? You can't be missing two. So one of these is like, it could be both, actually. Both of them could still be there. Oh, this can't be green because of Knight's move. That's what I was probably missing. So therefore, this can't be pink. Therefore, we know this is green and pink. We just don't know which one's which. So this is blue or orange. There cannot be a blue or orange in the rest of row 5. I don't know what that tells us, though. So at least one of blue or orange is here. It could be two of them, right? This can't be orange because of Knight's move. So this is blue, which means that can't be blue, which means this can't be orange. It cannot be orange, and this can't be blue. So blue could be here. Blue can only be one of those two, if possible. So this can't be orange. This can't be blue. Okay. This can't be green or pink, right? Because it sees both of these from normal Sudoku and Knight's Move. But it still could be the high, right? So it could be high with green or pink. Um, yeah, it still seems okay. The high of green can't be here. Actually, it could be. Never mind. There's no negative constraints for x's. I keep forgetting that. Um, this cannot be green or pink. It cannot. It could be. Can't be orange. Well, okay, we know it can't be green or pink. Um, yeah. Um, mhm. Hmm. One thing we see. This, yeah, this cannot be this one, right? So it has to be this one. The leftover one cannot be here either. And it can't be orange. So this can't, whatever this is, which is if it's blue or pink, if it corresponds to blue or pink, it cannot be here. The other one, which is blue or pink, cannot be here. Orange can't be here. This has to be the green high, right? And then I don't know if this, yeah, it doesn't hold necessarily here. So this is the high green. Therefore, this is high. It cannot be this high one. It could be the high orange, though. That is possible. Um, hmm. So this is the high green, which means this can't be high green, but we already knew that because of Knight's move. So this can't be high blue, right? So high blue could be any of these, technically. We don't know which. Green again can be one of those, has to be one of those two. So this can't be green, but that doesn't really say anything right now. Oh, no, never mind. Thought I saw something, I didn't see it. Um, corresponding green cannot be here or here. Yeah, it doesn't tell us very much. Mm, corresponding orange cannot be here, but it could be one of these two. So corresponding orange has to be one of those two. Hmm. That doesn't tell us very much. The high corresponding to blue is one of those two. High corresponding to pink could be any of those three. Hmm. Neither of these can be the high corresponding to blue or pink. Yay? Uh, hmm. Yeah, let's label the highs that we know as 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So then we can remove the reds to make it clear. These are 1 through, whoops. These are 1 through 4. This has to be 1 through 4. These are 1 through 4. This is 1 through 4. Hmm. All of these have been given. Hmm. Oh, well, no. Okay, never mind. Never mind. I was thinking I saw something, but I didn't. Hmm. Oh, I missed something rather obvious. This can't be blue. If this is blue, orange has to be on either side of it, and therefore it would have to have a V there. So this can't be blue. This is pink. Therefore, this can't be pink. This is orange. Therefore, this is blue. So this can no longer be blue. This can no longer be blue. Blue could be one of these. So blue's one of these three. Can't be this one, so blue has to be here. Blue's one of those two. So this is orange, which means this can't be orange, so this has to be a high. This still could be three different colors. We don't know which. Orange, pink, or green. Ah, but this is orange. This is pink or green. This is orange, pink, or green. This is orange or pink. So therefore, none of those can be in any of the other cells. Well, we already knew that, though. This is pink, orange. This is pink or orange. Right. So this cannot be orange. If this is orange, this would be the high corresponding to orange, but we already have that there. So this cannot be orange. Therefore, we know this is pink or green. This is pink or green. That's pink or green. Therefore, this must be orange. So this is orange, which means this cannot be orange. So this is pink. So this can't be pink. Oops. This can't be pink. So this is either orange or it's blue. We know the blue is one of those two. Orange could be one of these three, but it can't be here. So, and it can't be here. So therefore, this is orange. So this cannot be blue. This is orange with the corresponding high. Okay. So this is orange. This because of this can't be because of knight's move. So this one can't be because of Sudoku. This is pink with its corresponding high. We don't know which one's which though. So this is blue. We also need blue's corresponding high. We don't know where that is. So this can't be blue anymore. So this has to be a 6, 7, 8, or 9. It cannot right, you have the corresponding oranges. Blue and orange. Green is one of these two, but we don't know which. Oh, this can't be pink. Right. So this can't be pink because of that. So therefore this is not green. This can't be green. So that's pink. This can't be pink. So that's green. So we have green, green, green. Okay, so this is 1 through 4. This is 1 through 4. This is 1 through 4. This has to be 6 through 9, and it's the corresponding blue high. So this cannot be the blue high one. So this has to be the pink high one, which means this is the blue high one. So this can't be the pink one. So this has to be the corresponding blue high one. So this cannot be corresponding blue high. It could be orange or pink. We don't know which, though. So this is the corresponding. Okay, so yeah, now let's mark these corresponding sets. Maybe that'll make things a little easier to see. It's orange. This is green. This is green with it. This is green. This is not green. This is green. This is orange, obviously. These are both pinks. This is blue. This is blue. This is pink. This is orange. So this is pink or orange. That's fine. This one's orange. So this is pink or blue. Yeah, this is pink or blue. This, we don't know. It's either blue, it cannot be green. So this has to be blue, and it has to be the low. Because it can't be green. There's no, what's the other color that's missing here? Is the high green, but we already have that here. So this can't be the high green. So this is the low blue. Therefore we're missing the low blue here, which means, right. This can't be, this could be pink. Yeah, we don't know. Actually, it has to be pink. We're missing the low blue here. So the pink has to be here. We don't know which one though. The low pink. And the high pink is also here. And we're missing the orange. The orange high. The orange high also has to be here. So we're missing the blue, the low blue here. Here we're missing. So this is, it could be green, it could be blue or pink. We don't know which. Green, blue, or pink for the high. This cannot be green. It cannot be blue. So this is blue. This is pink or orange, right? This is pink or orange. This is pink or orange. We don't know which one's which here. None of these can be pink. Oh, they're all... Oh. We have all 6 through 9s here. So this has to be, it cannot be 0 through 5. Wait, I guess that could be 0 through 5. No, that can't be 0 through 5 high. So this has to be 1 through 4 here. Which means this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This can only be, this can't be 0, 5. So this is also 1, 2, 3, 4. This can't be either the high or the low. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So then this is, okay, so this, so we have to have blue, green, and orange. This can't be blue or green, so this is orange. This can't be blue or orange, so this is green, and therefore this is blue. Okay, so then this orange cannot be with pink, so this has to be a 0, 5. And therefore this is the dark one, not the medium. This one, though, we don't know. It could be 6, 7, 8, or 9. We have all the greens in columns 4 through 6. We have all the blues in columns 4 through 6. We have all the oranges in columns 1 through 4 through 6. Okay, so we know the pink has to be one of these two, low. Right? Because we're missing essentially the blue 1 through 4 in column 3. Hmm. Okay. This one, we're not sure what we're missing in column 7. Oh, so orange is 1 or 4, right? It has to be next to the 0, 5. So all the oranges are 1 and 4. So these are all 1 and 4, which means all the blues are 1 and 4 too. All the greens are 1 and 3. All the other sets have to be 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Right? Because 1 and 4 are the only ones next to 0 and 5. So then these, the orange, remove the orange part, the low ones. These all have to be, oops. So I remove that one. These cannot be 7 or, oh. This one we don't know. So that one can be, and this one we don't know. Okay. Blues. Remove the ones that are unknown. Remove the lows. So these cannot be 7 or 8, 6 or 9. Pinks. Remove the ones we don't know. Remove the lows. It's not very many. Remove 6 and 9. So it has to be 7 or 8. And all the greens. Just remove the ones we don't know. So they have to be 7 and 8. Okay. This cannot be the high green. This can't be the high green. But this one could be. So pink cannot be here because it's a 2-3. So if there's a pink, it has to be one of those 3. But we know the pink has to be one of these 2. So this can never be pink, right? Because both of these see this from either Knight's move or from normal Sudoku. And one of these has to be the low pink. So the low pink, if it's there, we don't know actually. It could maybe not be there. If it's there specifically. But we don't know specific that information. That's annoying. Right, because it can't be consecutive, so this one's out. It could be here. This is orange or pink. Okay, well, pink can't. Okay, pink couldn't even be there anyways because it would have to be next to the green, and therefore this would be a V. Pink can't be here. Well, yeah, same thing. So that's not helpful. Hmm. Pink can't be here because it would also be a V next to it. So this has to be 6, 7, 8, or 9. It cannot be orange. It cannot be green. So it could be blue or pink. This one we don't know. Um, hmm. This doesn't seem easy to me. This is more like average to me. Average level difficulty. Um, Orange cannot be here. So if there's an orange high, it has to be here. Can't be here. So it's one of those two if it's a high orange. It's also one of these two if it's a high pink also. Because pink cannot be here. Ah. Wait. If that's the case, it could be here. Never mind. I was thinking that it had to be with the medium 5, if that's the case, but that's not true. Hmm. Okay. Oh, wait. I see something. We're missing. What are we missing in column 4? We're missing a light or medium gray. We are definitely missing that because this can't be light. This can't be medium gray because of that. This can't be medium gray because of that. This can't be medium gray because of the knight's move. And we're missing light. None of these can be the light gray because they correspond with 10 here, and this is the dark gray. This can't be the medium gray because of this cell. So this one has to contain the pink. So this must contain the pink low. It must contain everything else, essentially. So then this is pink low, and it's also orange high. So this is 2, 3, and 6, 9. Therefore, this is the core spot. So this cannot be pink high. So this is this can't be pink low. It's a pink high. So this is 2 or 3. This is 7 or 8. So this has to be 6 or 9. And it's the, which one? It's the blue. Yeah, so this is the blue high. Because that's the only one remaining. Therefore, neither of these can be the blue high. So this has to be the pink high then. And this has to be the green high. And they're both 7 and 8. So this can't be the pink high, but it could be the pink low. Okay. This we're missing either one of the 7 eighths or the other 0, 5, right? So we have one of the highs here. So this is either 5 or it's 7 or 8. We don't know which. This can't be pink. This can't be pink 2 or 3. So this has to also be a high. So we're missing then. So we have a high, 4 highs, and therefore this must be a 5. So this is the medium gray. So this is so all the medium grays are 5. All the dark grays are 0. All the orange is low. So we'll remove the coloring here. Let's just do, yeah, all the orange is low. Must be 1. So this is 1. All the orange is high. Must be orange is high. All the orange is high must be 9. So these are all 9. This can't be 9. This can't be 9. Therefore, this must be the 9. And this must be orange. So this is orange. This can't be pink. That means this cannot be the orange. So it's the pink low. So this can't be pink. Well, it could be pink high. So this is orange high. So this is 9. We don't know what this is. Oh, no, we do. We're missing the low blue, so this has to be the orange high also. So this is 9. This is the pink low, so it's 2 or 3. The blues low are 4. The blue highs, I don't know why it's coloring that. Anyways, this are 6. So this can't be 6. This is a 7 or 8. So this is the pink high. So this can't be pink. So therefore this is blue. So this is 6. This is a pink, pink, pink pair. So this is 2 and 3, and this is 7 or 8. The greens low must be 3. So those are 3. The pink lows are 2. The green highs are 7. And the pink highs are 8. And this cannot be an 8 because of Knight's move. So this has to be a green high, and this is 7. Woo! That was not easy. Maybe for Knight's moves aficionados, that was easy, but for me, that was not easy. Very interesting puzzle. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm not very good with Knight's moves, so it takes me longer. But there was a lot of interesting stuff going on there, particularly eliminating things from rows and columns. I think that's going to be helpful in the future anytime I do 0 through 9 extended Sudoku rules, because that was helpful noticing that, hey, what is the digit I'm missing here in this column, this row, or this box? That was actually very, very helpful there. Anyways, I hope you had a good time too, and I'll see you next time on Frank Puzzles. Take care.